sabe. Ey, ya tú sabes. That is spaz. Ya tú sabes. That I spaz. Ey, estoy escuchando los voces que dicen que sigo atrás. Los digo que sigo rompiendo. Still got my foot on the gas. Still going 100 what they doing.
How y'all doing? My new subscribers was popping. For no one that wanna do this since day one, mad love y'all. Appreciate y'all.
Esto fue que se anime al gym. I've been lifting up all of this baggage. Remember staying up 2 or 3 nights cause I didn't get no sleep, I was too busy trapping. Escribiendo un par de canciones para irme a sleep, man, you know I was spazzing. Pa' de blunt y se cae Dolores.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Tranqui Kiddo 7, back with another video. How y'all doing out there, guys? For my new subscribers was popping. And for the one that always been there since day one, mad love y'all. Appreciate y'all for real, for real. Alright, how's everybody doing out there? Welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's doing good. For the new people, yo, what's up, man? For the one that always been there since day one, man. Yo, like I always say, love, yo, man. Much appreciated love, man. For real, for real. Alright, so hope everybody's doing good. Like I say, man, pray. Don't forget to pray. Always have that faith in that relationship with God, and don't lose the faith. You feel me? But today I just want to get down to a video where I did something cool. I did with a teacher I did a little collab with her where I did a back to school event. If y'all know from my previous video, around August I did a back to school event with my community. And a teacher came up to me, approached me, and asked me if I could do, it's called STEM Night. It's where it's an after school program where, you know, we can just show kids, little different things. You know, in my area was, you know, learn how to use tools. So I brought one of my lowrider bikes, into the classroom and taught kids how to use, you know, wrenches, how to maintain their bikes, just in case they get a flat tire or if their chain pop. That's what I did, and we're gonna get to the video right now. Let's go. Yo, what's up, guys? We're over here setting up in the classroom right now for the kids. It's called STEM Night. They have it, I think, every 4 months on a Thursday. We have STEM Night and a career thing on how to, you know, what's your career, what's your hobbies. And today kids is gonna be learning about how to maintenance your bike. So this is my show bike that I'm gonna be showing, and this is gonna be the bike that I'm gonna be taking apart and showing kids how to maintenance your bike, either a flat tire, chain pop, you know, or, you know, how to tighten bolts, anything like that. So yep, we're gonna be here at the classroom. Which I think, guys, this is something crazy, man. People that have been following me, I appreciate y'all, the love. You know, I appreciate everything, y'all, you know, all the love and the support. And right now, you know, just growing, getting into classrooms now. So yeah, this is what we got going on. All right, guys, so I got my station set up for the kids. We have our tools that, you know, we need for the class for today. Some inner tubes. This should show the kids, you know, a little bit about how to maintenance their bike, maintain their bike, and how to certain little small situations they're in that they could you know, do it themselves. So yep, this is where we at. A little nervous.
Number 4, yeah.
It's gonna be a little tough, but
Open your passports.
now you can do it with your hands. Usually, if you don't have the bike repair stand, you could flip the bike upside down and do it like that. But in this case, we have one, and it makes life much easier and to repair bikes. Take that out. So in this case, hello guys that just came in. We're gonna show you how to put a tire in when you have a flat tire. So you're gonna put this in. Alright, chop it on. Rim, we're gonna put it in here. Alright, so hold the rim.
From home.
You see the wheels gonna fall off while you're riding down the streets. So it's gonna go your way. So you're gonna go this way. Yeah.
Good job, Mona.
For your bolts. Alright, so I want you to take the bolts off. There you go. You don't wanna do it? You don't wanna do it? Alright, go ahead, you go. So what you're gonna do, right tight, lefty loosey. There you go. So when you hear that noise is restarting itself for you to loosen or tighten. So go ahead. When you hear that, now you go the opposite way. Go this way. Right.
Hi guys.
Okay, now you're loosening it too for your bike. So right here you got the size of the inner tube. So it's 20 by 175. So right behind you, if y'all can look for the right one.
You can do it.
So you at a store right now, right? And you want to get the right inner tube. Which one you gonna get? On the number.
Do it. 2175.
You gotta try to find the number. You see the number is 24, 29. Put it down right there.
Are you the play-by-play
Same one for this
commentator
one?
back here?
Good job. And you want to keep turning your wheel. You want to keep, when you're doing that, you want to keep turning it. Okay? So now you're going to take it off. Take it off. Here you go, take it off. When you take it off, you want to take it off your way. Alright? So it's you. Go ahead.
I know. I'm just saying. You got home of loudspeakers.
Alright. I got you right now. So you want to do it?
You go home.
Alright guys, so I hope y'all enjoyed that video. It was something real cool that I did, and it was something that, you know, took me out of my element, you know what I mean, from, you know, doing videos, you know, on this platform on YouTube, where I show kids in my community how to, you know, change tires. And if their chain pops, and I teach them how to do that. You know, I was a little nervous. I didn't know what to expect because this was my first, you know, showing, you know, in a crowd in front of kids and parents, you know. But I feel like I did pretty good, and the teachers loved it, the kids loved it, the parents loved it, and I loved it, man. It was a good experience. It was something that. It was a great opportunity that I did. And, you know, I think, you know, my community, I think the teachers, guys, this was something, you know, learning experience. It was fun to do. And next time, I think they want me back for career day. I'm not sure. And that's where I can spread the love, man, of the lowrider culture. And that's what it's about. You feel me? Spreading love, showing the kids the culture. You know, just spreading the love, man. The lowrider culture, man. Like I said, man, it's never gonna die. You feel me? Like, if it's up to me, man, like I'm gonna show it. I'm gonna show the love no matter what. You feel me? And like I said, man, you love something. You love doing something, and like that's all you think about, man, like a lot of doors are gonna open up for you guys. You feel me? Like a lot is gonna happen. I mean, if you stick with what you love to do, there's people watching. You feel me? There's people watching and love what you're doing. You feel me? And especially if you're doing it for the community, you're doing it for the people, man. They love that, you know. They're gonna see that, man. So just keep doing what you're doing, guys, man. Don't stop, man. I'm gonna end the video, but I just want to thank y'all guys, man, for the love and the support, guys. Like I always say, keep praying. Don't forget to pray. And just keep doing what y'all doing, man. Keep building, keep riding, and keep living, guys, man. For real, man. Don't forget to pray. At my, TikTok, I got some TikTok videos, Instagram, YouTube, man. Holla at me, guys, man. For real, man. You love the culture. You love your bike, man. You love the lowrider bike. You love your cruisers, man. You want to hook your cruisers up, man. Hit me up, man. Like I said, man, I also got a mini store. You feel me? Let me know. Holla at me, guys. To the next video, man. Peace.